Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for scalping the market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, you're going to be clicking on this plus icon first. All right, so after clicking on that, you search for your moving average. All right, as you can see here, we have two moving averages. All right, so you are going to search for the first one by clicking on this plus icon. So after searching for your moving average, all right, you click on it. Now these are the properties. All right, so you are going to change the period to 21, the shift to 0, method to simple, apply to close. The levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, so that is it for the moving average. All right, so the next indicator we have here is still a moving average, right? So you are clicking on this plus icon and then you search for your moving average again. All right, the period for this one is 100, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close. Right, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame, the color is red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is stochastic oscillator. Right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again. You search for your stochastic oscillator, you change everything here to 1. All right, the price yield is close, the method is exponential, the level, you make it 85 and 15. All right, the pixel, you make it 1, color white, click on done. All right, the time frame is all time frame, the main, you make it color white, 1 pixel, the signal, color white, 1 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now the next indicator we have here is still a stochastic oscillator. All right, so for you to add this second one under the first stochastic oscillator, you have to click on this plus icon, then you search for your stochastic oscillator again. Right, these are the properties for it. The care period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price yield is low high. Right, the method is simple, the level, you make it 85 and 15, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, the time frame is all time frame, the main, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and the signal, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy. The VIP boom and crash strategy for growing your small account, okay, is a very powerful strategy for growing as little as a $10 account, okay, and even a beginner can use this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this particular strategy I'm talking about, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, back to the topic of the day, which is this particular strategy here. All right, now how does this strategy work? There are some few conditions you need to apply in order to trade effectively with this strategy. Okay, so the first condition is that you want to see a spike in the market. Now whenever there's a spike, you check your indicator window. Now the first condition here is that you want to see this red line here get to the overbought level, which is our 85 level. Once it gets to the overbought level, sorry, there's one first, there's something else you need to take note of before you apply this condition. Okay, this is not the first condition. Now the first condition is that you want to see this blue line. You want to make sure that this blue line is below the red moving average here. All right, the blue moving average is below the red moving average on the main chart. All right, so once this is below the main chart, all right, once this crossing has occurred on the main chart, you now wait for a spike to occur, all right, in the market. So once there's a spike, you now look at this indicator window here and you make sure that this red here is above this 85 level or touching the 85 level before you take any. this crossing here on the main chart is trying to show you that price is now in a downtrend, and any entry you need to be taking needs to be a sell trade, right? So once this happens and there's a spike, all right, there's a spike and it has not yet crossed above the red line on the main chart, then you check your indicator window. You want to also make sure that this red line is at the 85 level, all right? So once you see this at the 85 level, you go in for your 5 candles, right? So once this gets to this level, you are to go in for your 5 candles, right? So you pick 5 candles from this area, right? You pick 5 candles and then you exit the market, right? That's just simple as that. Okay, that's how the strategy works. Okay, so you wait for another opportunity to present itself. Once there's a spike, you check your indicator window. You want to make sure that this red line is touching the 85 level also. So once you see this at the 85 level, that is a go for you to, that is an opportunity for you to take your 5 candles and then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. All right, now you see again there was a spike and you can see that this red line is touching the 85 level, which is a signal for you to take your 5 candles. All right, so that is how simple the strategy is. That's how the strategy works. Okay, so I will go over it again. The first condition is that you want to see this blue line crossing below the red line on the main chart, right? That's the first condition. Now the second condition is, again, you want to see a spike in the market, and once the spike happens, you must make sure the spike is below the red line. All right, on the main chart, make sure the spike is below. It has not yet crossed above this. So if it cross above, it might mean that it will come down a little bit and then continue to the upside. All right, that is just kind of price coming to retest the support zone and then continuing to the upside. But if it's below, then there's a chance that price will go down again. All right, so you need to grab that opportunity. All right, and this now will show you that price is at the overbought level and you should take the opportunity of selling. That is all for this. All right, that is all for this strategy. Okay, so I want you guys to go and practice it very well. All right, make sure to practice this strategy very well. Make sure that it's working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. But if it's not working for you, then you can test other strategy out. Okay, I have many strategies on my channel. All right, so I think I'll be throwing the curtain here now. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, right? Zoom in 1 and 2. All right, zoom in 2 times. That's the zoom level. Zoom in 2 times or 3 times. All right, that's the zoom level for this strategy. Okay, so make sure you practice it very well before you take any take any entry or deposit your real money to trade with this strategy. Okay, so I think that's going to be all. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Silver out.